mine. Can I have that one please, Daddy?
There you go.
There you go. Hang on, I need to light anti-stand. Go on, Jack. Swirl it around.
Not at your close, arms length
Jack,
straight out,
look
yeah?
At me. Look at me, Jack.
Watch Uncle Jordan
Arm
and you
out,
do
yeah?
the same. That's it, keep swirling it.
When you have to let it cool out.
Yeah.
When you have to cool it out.
Look, it goes off all by itself, look.
When you turn it round. I might my name.
Do we write our names, look? Look.
Whoa! I wrote my name.
Where's Nana going with hers,
Nana's
look?
cheating.
Stop trying to set fire to me, yeah?
I wrote my name.
Jack, swirl it around.
Whoa!
I'm trying to get them all in. Daddy, don't fall in the drain.
Jack, remember, arm out, mate. Good boy.
Arms bend.
Like this,
Jordan,
Jack.
move yours forward because yours isn't in my shot.
Bigger. Whoa!
Careful, Jack.
Careful, whoa!
Why did we whack each other?
Because you got a bit near, didn't you?
Come on, get a circle.
Well, there you go. Look at him enough time, Jack. Maybe else
Big circle,
popping.
Jack.
What,
Every so often, a little pop.
What's your code,
And
Jack?
they get a bit out because it's going away.
Oh, that.
Whoa!
Right, I'm done, so you've only got a few seconds. Jack's is bent. And so's mine, then.
Yeah, because you two hit yours together, that's why.
Doesn't surprise me.
They're all bent. Mine's just bent as well.
Yeah, I think it's the
Go on,
indicator.
Jack, turn it. Don't worry, it won't burn you.
That's it, just
Don't
keep
worry.
twizzling, just
So
keep
it'll stop.
twizzling.
It'll go out when it gets to the end, mate. Look.
There you go, it's going.
There you go. Now put yours in the ground.
Stick it in the ground.
That'll do.
That's it, let go of it. Good boy.
Stand back a bit, mate, yeah?
Right.
Just so.
Finish now, yeah. So it might run out, hasn't it? Did you have a cake? Yeah.
Ooh.
Did you get the coat? No, they're the
Just swirl it.
Turn it round. Oh, my word.
That's Auntie Sam's
Daddy's
out.
is about to go, I think.
I'm very worried that that rattles as it bends.
Yeah. Oh, it's some little thing in it. Oh, and the winner
Oh,
is.
swirl it.
Jack wins.
Swirl it, Jack.
Jack won.
Yeah,
I'll
do
do that
that
to
nice
Nana.
one.
Why did you run out? Why did you run out?
Careful. That's the.
Why did you run out?
See,
Because
Jack,
they don't last long.
So they do
What
say,
is that bit? Why do you have to put them in the garden?
just so this keeps
that-
safe,
So
mate.
that they don't
So they don't.
burn people, get hot.
What are we doing?
Putting your fireworks up.
That's a cool little thing, isn't it?
What were we
Why not, I was thinking.
What?